Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a lightning blue metallic 2017 Ford Mustang, stock number A7296. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Got a nice vibrant color on the hood with a sporty feel. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for two here in the front row, and you've also got seating for two back in the second row, making this a 4-passenger Mustang. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You do have a backup camera and keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments, and you do have carpeted floor mats included. Stepping inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control buttons, and on the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a push button start here. We'll go ahead and get that engine started. Coming over to the center here, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is equipped with traction control, and you do have a USB port. This is a 6-speed manual transmission with a 3.7-liter V6 engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 28 miles per gallon. Now, coming up above the rear view mirror, another very cool feature, you actually have a push button here for your convertible top, and as you can see, that's a nice quick and smooth transition to get that top sealed here. If you'd like to get more information on this Mustang, or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.